As president and CEO of a branch of a large multinational company, I see the use and effectiveness of ASTM standards in all parts of what we do. Central Trade engages in the standards development process because it's part and parcel to our core business. We supply a vital raw material, natural rubber and natural latex, that's used in some 40,000 consumer goods and products. We do everything from start to finish. We source, we process, we produce, and we supply. So we use the standards on both sides of our business. On the production side, it's for quality monitoring and to make sure that our materials meet the standards that our customer needs. On the consumer side, we want to be up to date on what the requirements are for the intermediate or the finished good or what our customer faces in the marketplace. So in order for us to do that, we have to stay up to date. ASTM allows us to do that. Central Trade's part of Halcyon Agri, and we have branches that are in Europe, Asia, the Americas. We work within and across our diverse international customer base because we have companies that are producing in all these countries. ASTM identified the need to be in the global arena, and they did that through the process of developing outreach, making a concerted effort to go out to foreign countries, to engage other standards organizations, to engage other multinationals. Entering into memorandums and liaison agreements allowed ASTM to open up its doors and be more of a global partner, give that presence. And I think that's the key to this, is really focusing on what do multinational companies need and how can we be part of that, not just limited to the North American process, to the US process. Standards play a vital and increasing role in supply chain management. ASTM provides in-main committees. They house different parts of that chain. So just for example, on the material side, we have A1 that's steel, B5 copper, D11 rubber, which is near and dear to my heart, and D24 carbon black. Those standards talk about what the raw material needs to be, its performance characteristics, its form, its strength requirements. That dovetails into the next part of the process, which is the intermediates or finished goods. And here we have committees like D14 on adhesives and E57 on 3D imaging systems, where we're talking about the actual saleable good. What's its performance criteria? What does it need to have for market access? How do we transport the materials, both the raw material or the saleable goods? We move to warehousing and storage, where ASTM's developed standards, practices, and guides about management of warehouse. And we have to consider human resource management in the supply chain, because without people, we don't have the supply chain. Last but certainly not least is validation, certification, uniformity, conformity. These things speak to manufacturers because it talks about fairness and competition and lets them know what their liabilities are and how to test for it. So these are all vital pieces in the chain, and ASTM has it. We have to be able to think not just about our raw material, but how it interacts with our customer and our customer's customer, what that final product is. ASTM through Compass, through enterprise solutions, product declarations, allows us to concentrate strictly on the product while ASTM handles the process. That'll lead to the fact that you're going to make a better product. And when you do, we help our world work better. And ASTM's goal is to do that, and they do it fantastically.